Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus OnePlus Nord 2 device. So it has been very long time doing this kind of both phones comparison side by side. Let's see after the recent updates in these both phones, is there any kind of difference between the speed test and the RAM management got improved or not? These are the few things which I'll definitely concentrate in this video. So first, let me need to restart the both phones, boot up. So the Realme X1 Max which I'm trying to use is the 8GB RAM variant, and even the OnePlus Nord 2 is also 8GB RAM variant, and both phones are having the Dimensity 1200 chipset, but only the UI optimization matters a lot in terms of the RAM management. And speed test also, during this time I'm not using any high performance mode, and there is no high performance mode enabled in the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. So I just thought of letting you know. And this test includes the 15 applications only. Yes, these are 15 application tests which I'm going to do the side-by-side testing with the OnePlus Nord 2, 15 applications. So not the games. I did not include any kind of games because previously I did do a lot of gameplay test videos as well regarding the speed test and the RAM management test. And few of the users, they want to know about the applications, what is happening with applications in terms of RAM management. And you can see the Wi-Fi connection, it's of 2.4 gigahertz. And you may think like no one will be using this many applications in the background, but one thing is that the main reason why I'm doing this kind of extreme level testing is because after the next maybe 1 year or 2 years, after a couple of updates, definitely the phone will become slow. So you should know as a future-proof option. So if the phone can actually store today, right now, 15 applications out of 15, then maybe after 1 years, or maybe 2 years, it can store up to 8 applications and 7 applications. If the phone can store right now 7 applications in the background RAM management, then after 1 year, definitely the RAM management will not be that great, because with the software updates, sometimes the performance and sometimes this RAM optimization may get affected. That's the reason I'm trying to mention clearly why I'm trying to choose 15 applications. So both are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi connection at this moment, and you can see I did, as you can see friends, exactly. Let me try to start with the first application, which is a Google Chrome. So using the high performance mode, sometimes the OnePlus Nord 2 will be having slight advantage using high performance mode. But this video I did not use any kind of high performance mode at this moment. I'm trying to keep in the background RAM management. Here is slightly kind of very similar speeds are detecting between these both phones. Nothing much major difference in the speeds. As you can see friends, not bad in the speed. So I'll try to keep this phone in the background RAM management, and next is Adobe Reader also. So I'm trying to keep this in the background RAM management, and next is YouTube Music. And this is going to be really very intense kind of testing friends, as I said, which I'm trying to do this video for a very long time after the recent updates. So which will definitely give the results what is happening between these both phones. So RAM management and speed test. So speed test, there is not a huge difference anyway between these both phones in terms of the speed test. But RAM management matters a lot for a few of the users. That's the reason. So the speed test, the fast application which I'm trying to do with the Wi-Fi speed, which I'm trying to do at this moment. So the Realme X1 Max is taking most of the Wi-Fi at this moment, and the OnePlus Nord 2 is getting 26 and 25 Mbps of speeds. Not bad. So I'll try to keep this core in the background as a RAM management. That's the purpose of me doing this kind of testing only. And next is a zoom. Slightly the Realme X1 Max is faster a little bit. As you can see, the loading speed slightly kind of faster in the Realme X1 Max than the OnePlus Nord 2. So now I did open finally 15 applications. Everything is open in the background complete. As you can see, starting Google Chrome to the final Facebook. As you can see, exactly all the apps are completely open. Now let's start opening one by one from the back. So let's see how many applications can be there in the background RAM management. So after the recent updates, sometimes what happens is that the RAM management may get improved and may remain same and may decrease. So that's what I'm going to find out at this moment regarding the RAM management. Did it improve or not? So usually first row and second row should be kind of okay most of the time. I think it's not okay in the OnePlus Nord 2. You can see OnePlus Nord 2, the Amazon application did not show this phone exactly, which I used before. So the Realme X1 Max did clear 2 rows successfully without any problem. But the OnePlus Nord 2 did come only to the Adobe Reader. So 9 applications were open in the background in the OnePlus Nord 2. Now it's time to check the Spotify applications. So here's a Spotify. Yes, so let's start 1, 2, and 3. Boom. The Spotify was there exactly in the Realme X and Max, and OnePlus Nord 2 did load. And next is Flipkart. Let's see Flipkart what happens. 1, 2, and 3. Boom. Flipkart exactly as it is in the Realme X and Max, but the OnePlus Nord 2 took some time to load it, but it was having the same as possible, like same page. It did not go to the home screen. Not bad anyway. And next is about the Google Play Store. So both phones did keep the Google Play Store in the background, not bad. And next is about the Realme X and Max, touch sampling rate. Let's see the touch sampling rate application. You can see the lines in the multitasking, but the phone which shows lines is Realme X and Max. So Realme X and Max did keep this in the background RAM management, not bad. So you can see the RAM management is pretty good at this moment in the Realme X and Max. It can store up to 14 applications in the background, and final application is the Google Chrome. Google Chrome also instantly it did open. So 15 out of 15 were definitely possible in the Realme X and Max at this moment, the background RAM management. And when compared with the OnePlus Nord 2, can come up to only I think close to Adobe Reader, 9 applications. 9 applications, even the Flipkart also opened, but it took some time to load it. Flipkart and the Play Store, they also did open. So this both also opened, but they took some time. So anyway, in the RAM management department, the Realme X and Max is far better than the OnePlus Nord 2 at this segment. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries regarding these both phones, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.